Hey guys, Matthew's Army here, and today I have another Army review, and today is on the these like really miniature Army from Amazon.com. It's from this company called Toys. Who would have thought? Yeah, it's kind of just Amazon's packaging for Army toys, just directly from their site. So yeah, and this is supposed to be actually a British set in this green color. Even comes with a little flag. How cool was that? The base looks a little funny though. It looks like it's just made straight out of metal. These are future soldiers. The ground is metal, and they will mount the flag on it. The metal ground. Everything's made out of technology. Yeah. These soldiers are pretty decent. Some of them are a little thin. They might break, but they don't feel super. They're not super cheap. They really aren't. And they're, the ones standing up are like an inch and a, like roughly like an inch and a half. And when I got these, I was thinking, I didn't actually know that they were going to be this size, because on Amazon, they don't give you a size comparison to somebody's hand, and they don't say what scale they are. So I had no idea. They'd be like an inch and a half tall. Short, actually. And I was surprised, somewhat disappointed when they were ordered. I mean, they're still okay, but me being more of a 2-inch Army collector, and then when you get some 1.5-inch soldiers and throw them into the mix, I mean, you can't really say this is an addition to my green Army, you know, because they're an inch and a half. It wouldn't make a lot of sense, you know. So please, 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 guys, comment, type in the comment section ideas, suggestions, what I should use these guys for, as far as for my stop motions. I actually have one idea where they could be children Army men, but that wouldn't make a lot of sense, since I've already showed in one of my videos where the tans are molded in a machine, and they're not born. I mean, when they're created, they're already ready-made adult soldiers. So I don't know, that wouldn't work for these guys to be children Army men. But yeah, they can't really go with the rest of my collection. They're kind of like all by themselves, because I'm not a 1-inch soldier collector. But if you are more of a 1-inch soldier collector for toys, Army collector, this would be really good for you. And I'm going to show you some of the poses the 1-inch Army collector. I know the YouTuber Army of Toys is I think like one of his favorite Army men types is the 1-inch soldiers. So Army of Toys, I think this would really be good for you and your stop motions. Yeah, they're pretty unique. I haven't seen these anywhere else. So the poses is the machine gunner. Hope you're watching this, Army of Toys, because I think you would really like these guys. And then here's the guy just standing here. And I'm even gonna show you compared to more of a standard 2-inch soldier from good old Timmy Toys. You can see the size is quite different with these guys. Pretty tiny. So yeah. So here's a guy just standing here holding onto his shirt or something. Maybe he's about to blow a whistle. Like, whoosh, whoosh. I can't whistle. But you're like, come on guys, let's go, time! Ah! doing that voice because they're tiny. Then here's a heavy machine gunner guy. I actually have a guy similar to this that came in the pack, soldier pack from Jaru, that Chinese company. So, yeah, pretty cool. And then here's an even heavier machine gunner. He's got it mounted to the ground, blowing people away, you know. Oh, no. You could just set up a bunch of guys. Machine gunner. Of course, since this is all in the same pack, that'd be friendly fire. By the way, they do come in different colors. They come in a brown color. They come in a silver color. I'm sure they come in at least one more color. So, yeah, you can have... So, the green isn't the only color that these guys come in. You can, you know, you can have different armies. You can really collect these guys, but... And then there's this guy. This is more of a running guy, and he's, like, waving. I have very similar guys to this in my 2-inch army. He's waving. Come on, guys, let's go! Listen to me! It's a weird... I don't know if that's a gun. I don't think it is. It doesn't look like one. Look at that. It almost looks like a hook. Some sort of scythe or something. I don't know what that is. But, and then here's kneeling and shooting. The kneeling and shooting guys are more closer to a 1-inch. Just like a hair over 1 inch. So, yeah. Kneeling and shooting guy. This guy. It's kind of funny. This guy. That's a very long gun. Is anyone sure if that's even a gun? That is really long. It's about as tall as him. And there's even like a very similar version of this guy. He's got even a longer weapon. Is that even a gun? Please try to tell me. I have no idea what that is. I think it's a gun, but it's one very large, non-accurate sized gun. I could just imagine these guys, like, these two being, like, kind of swords, and they'd be fighting. Ah! Oh, come on! Kind of like pirates or something. I actually do have Pirate Army Men, but I don't have the packaging anymore, so I forgot what the toy was called. So I don't know if I'll review that in the future. By the way, it's funny how almost less than 300 years ago, you know, the British in the Revolutionary War, they wore bright red coats and powdered wigs. They look nothing like that now in their armies. So, anyway, just saying. Then here's this rocket launcher guy. Very, very similar to this guy. But he's got like a rocket. I think that almost looks like a mortar. Like he's going to run and set that up. Whoa! And they have the same back gears, just on the other side of their back, right there. That little thing sticking up. It's not excess plastic or anything. That thing right there sticking up. And he's got that too. So it's just on the other side. So, yeah. Then this guy, he's not pointing down or anything. I guess he's just kind of standing guard because his head's facing forward. Kind of looks like one of the more futuristic soldiers. These soldiers look fairly, modern. Look fairly modern looking. They don't look World War II that much style soldiers. Yeah. And then there's this guy. I have actually seen this guy in a review of Army of Toys, but it was like a bigger version of it. It was like a review on like an Army Easter basket set that he reviewed on his channel, Army of Toys. Check that out. But this guy, he's kind of like a version of that, but he's just smaller. And like he said, it's not very smart to be holding up a machine gun to your face. It's just gonna bust it open. That's pretty much what he said, by the way. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all the poses. Pretty sure. Yeah, I think it is. And by the way, with this flag, you just kind of break that off. It's kind of harder because it's a harder plastic, which means it's more durable. But you'll just need probably some scissors or something to snip those little parts off. So, yeah, that's the review, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.